Hello butterflies, welcome myself back to my channel. I haven't been here in 3 years. Last time I recorded was in 2018 and it wasn't a makeup tutorial at all. It was a vlog, a Christmas vlog, Vlogmas I think it was in 2018. And then from there, I just abandoned my channel. And I'm sorry about that. And recently, I just wanted to come back on here and do what I love, which is makeup, my passion. So I decided to come back and create this look that you see right now. I hope you guys like it. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. So I already primed my face and I moisturized my face. I'm going to go in first with priming my lids, and I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow base to prime my lids. I'm gonna go ahead and set it with some powder. I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush, something like this, so that I could do a transition color on my crease. I'm gonna use this color right here. This one right here. Little palette for Wet n Wild, and I'm going to use this orange color that's right here and put it on the crease. I'm going to go ahead and use this other for Wet n Wild. I'm going to take that orange that's up there and put that also on my crease, but then I'm going to take a brush that's a little bit smaller and just pack it there, bring it down, then go back with the blending brush to blend that in. Keep on doing the same thing. Take the inner corners of the eyes too, and go back with the blending brush and just blend that in. I'm gonna go back with a pencil brush like this one, and out of this same palette, I'm gonna take this middle color right here, and basically I'm just gonna create like a little crease on the top, and then bring it down like a little V. And go ahead and blend again with the blending brush. There's this cute color, this color right here. All right, so I'm just gonna use this blending to blend right here, right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put this color on the top of the brow bone. So I went in and put on my foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. I'm just gonna blend it in. So you're gonna set everything with powder. Which is this one. I'm using the same brush to take out the excess on the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna add eyeliner to my top lashes. I'm gonna put mascara and I'm gonna put the lashes. So I put my lashes on and I'm just gonna use a pencil brush and go over the bottom lash line a little bit with the orange, just so I could do like a little bit of color under my eyes there. I'm going again with the brown, the middle brown here, and this is just gonna give it a little bit of highlight like that. Bam. All right, I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm gonna do some contour just with bronzer because I don't like any other ways to do contour. So I'm just gonna use this one from e.l.f. Taking the brown color, this one, and just creating a contour. We're gonna put a little bit of blush. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of highlighter. For lipstick, I just wanna do gloss. I'm gonna take a little bit of the highlighter and put it in my inner corners of my eyes with a little small brush. I'm also going to put a little bit on my brow bone. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video if you loved it, comment and subscribe. You can also follow me on my social media. I will write my name right here so you can follow me. Thanks again for watching, and I see you guys in my next video.